Of the world in this modern era. 1. Solutions on the individual person. The best solution to saving people is how people maximize their own essence. Taoism has shown that the physical essence of man is ki, inner energy, and the spiritual essence of man is spirit power. Once man is born with a certain degree of spirit, nature will be in harmony with the universal power at a certain level. 2. Solutions to social community and humanity. World civilization and cultural heritage are essential products of mankind accumulated in history. It is those promotion values that converge with individual elite values, receive the blessed energy resources in heaven and earth will form a full saving solution. Convergence of physical essence plus spiritual essence plus universal power. Convergence of the world civilization plus cultural heritage plus toward God equals the pinnacle of humanity. 3. Religious solutions. People mission and vow to save the world with respect to religions. For religion, the two main sources of energy contributing to the solution of salvation are the human mission and world entity. The missionary person is the person who has the pure selfless intention to serve the salvation mechanism that Cao Dai has called the Mahayana mission of self-salvation, which means practicing heavenly liberation. The Redemptorist entity is a system that unites all the same religions in order to restore humanity, to evolve to the end of the original or the great glory of God. Religious solution. Convergence of inner energy plus Redemptorist entity plus unified natural person. 4. The convergence of the sacred human mission plus the messianic entity plus heaven way will form a God-human unity is the ultimate special solution of universal period. Concentric circles, diagram IV, are the same religious religions, whose only goal of salvation in the early days was the restoration of humanity and universal being. That goal is the center of the circle. The red points on each circle are the missionaries of each religion. These are the legal dynamics that promote the sanctification, perfection, of people and society according to the aforementioned goal. These mission kernels are the nets of the Mahayana mission net linked together and connected with the Mahayana center in order to propagate the unity of the human nature. This web will become the solution of salvation, constantly shaken to transform the human mind, which is the martyrdom entity. If this diagram is reduced to two axes, then the horizontal axis is the Mahayana mission, and the vertical axis is the God way liberation. Conclude. Facing the face of the world today with so many scenes of war, violence every day, hundreds of thousands of people die every hour. With so many tragedy of morality, each class of people rushed into the pit of lust, destroying itself every minute and every second. Perhaps modern civilized science is enough to bring mankind into heavenly life on earth, but conversely suffering is piling up here and there with tremendous growth. All solutions are almost powerless. Humankind is humiliating for the supreme heavenly state, perhaps not just clapping hands to end the world, but not. Man is the creator and creator. So mankind cannot find a solution to save itself without self-promoting energy in humans. That is the first heaven, the Tao, is the key to opening heaven in the world and opening the White Jade Sutra upper world. Of course, The elaborate work to grasp that key was not easy in one life, so when God declared the great Mahayana, He gave the great privilege of amnesty to enlightened children, and more to the divine spirits to guide. At the same time, the whole family is full of grace to create the most natural world to the degree of being. With so many advantages, the third solution of salvation has created a solution where the center of divine power is connected from the human realm to heaven and impacts the world as a net to transform the world from decadence to sacred. /